I'm a big fan of my workshop. I spend a lot of time in there, but it needs a bit of character adding to it. I wanted to add bits of random colour to it. These tester pots are perfect. Going through all these old test pots of paint remind me of past rooms we once painted in those colours and all the good times that go with it.
Nordic sky. Good times. Good times.
I wanted an aged rustic look on the coloured slats. Taking them outside and roughing them up didn't work. So I had to revert to using sandpaper. There are two sides to my workshop I wanted panelling. It was quite a long process to do this side, so for the other side I enlisted the help of the fastest hammer slinger in the West, Crafty the Kid. For the sign, I traced around my logo on 2D design, then cut it out on the laser cutter. The material was so thick, I had to make 2 passes. As the white paint dried, some dust stuck to it, so I had to give it a second coat. Doing a lot lot of sticker swaps on Instagram and would love to have your sticker on my board. So contact me over there at Crafty Fox Makes and we'll sort it out. If you've enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing.